The first question is this one where we need to find the value of x, and second question is this one. Okay, so let us solve question number 1 first. Okay, it's given that root over 16 by 3 power x minus 1 equal to 7 by 9. So do one thing, my dear friends. Into the next step, just write it root over 16 by 3. So out of root 16, 4 can be taken as out, right? So 4 by 3 power x minus 1 is equal to 7 by 9, right? Into the next step, we can write 4 by 3 power x equal to 7 by 9 minus 1 going into the RHS, and when you just solve it keeping 9 as denominator, so 7 plus 9, so this is giving 70 16, 7 plus 9 16 by 9 as your RHS, and here 4 by 3 power x will be carried over into the LHS. Now this 16 by 9 can be written as into the form of 4 by 3. Our main agenda over here is that just to make a form the same base. It can be written as 16 can be written as 4 square, and 9 can be written as 3 square, isn't it? Then into the next step, 4 by 3 power x can be written as 4 by 3, because it's a square of 4, it's a square of 3, so we can write it's a square of 4 by 3. It's a square of 4 by 3, right? We know the formula that yes, when same base, then on equating exponents must be equal, right? Must be equal. This shows that you can see 4 by 3 is the base over here. The base over here is what into the LHS and RHS is equal to 4 by 3. So when you just compare, the exponent into the LHS is x and the exponent on the same base of RHS is 2. So when same base, exponents must be equal. We just equate and get the value of x as equal to 2. So my dear friends, this will give you an answer that yes, x is nothing, because bases are same, we equate the exponents and we get the value of x as equal to 2. And in this way we have solved the first question, my dear friends, right? Let us take the second question for today. The first question is solved. The second question for today is this one, right? Yes. The question is that p power a plus b whole power 5, p power b plus c whole power 5, p power c plus a whole power 5 divided by pa into pb, p to the power a into p to the power b into the p to the power c whole power 10. We just need to solve it, right? To solve such question, students, just remember two things. When the bases are same, the exponents will be added when they are multiplied, when these two terms are multiplied. So here what we are going to do, that keep the numerator as it is. Okay, and you can see that into the denominator we can write it as, first of all, p to the power a plus b power 5 into p to the power b plus c power 5, p to the power c plus a power 5. These are the terms of the numerator. Into the denominator, it's this 10 can be multiplied to this exponent, because this is also an exponent. This can be multiplied to this b also, which is also into the exponent, and this can be multiplied to this c also, right? So this can be written as p to the power 10a multiplied by p to the power 10b multiplied with p to the power 10c. Tell me, students, this can be done or not? It can be done, right? Similarly, it will happen over here also. This 5 will be multiplying to this a, this b gradually, right? So we can just write it like this. If this is the case, my dear friend, then into the next step we can write p to the power 5a plus 5b into the numerator, into the second term 5b plus 5c. Here 5 is multiplying as we did for here, similarly for here, because 5b and 5c are in the exponent, and also p to the power 5c plus 5a whole divided by p to the power 10a, p to the power 10b, p to the power 10c. We know that when the exponents are added, they definitely the bases must have been same, right? Similarly, here you can see the base over all the places is p, 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 right? So we can write the numerator as p to the power this 5, all the exponents 5a plus 5b, 5b plus 5c, 5c plus 5a, all will be added. So it will be 5a plus 5b added with 5b, because all are exponents, 5b plus 5c plus 5c plus 5a. Now this is entire numerator, and into the denominator we have p to the power. Similarly, you can see p is the base for all the, and all these are multiplied. We know the formula, when exponents will be added when the base will be same, and all are multiplying here. With that we can write into the denominator this exponent to the base p is added with exponent to the base p over here. So that's why we can write over here like this, and exponent to the base p, all the bases are same, p, p, p. That's why 10a, 10b, 10c of the denominator, exponent in the denominator will be added to the base p, right? So this can be written as, into the next step you can see, just add the like terms together, 5a plus 5a, it becomes 10a. I'm just doing into the exponents, 5b plus 5b, it becomes 10b, 5c plus 5c, it becomes 10c, right? Divided by, again into the denominator the base is b, we already have this 10a, 10b, 10c here, so just write 10a plus 10b plus 10c. Isn't the numerator and denominator are the same numbers? Same. So just deduct it. What you will have, all this is equal to 1 divided by 1, which is finally coming as 1. So my dear friends, 1 is the answer for this question. Okay, this was looking little tedious initially, but when you solved it, it solved very easily. Thank you so much for watching. Just watch and like and subscribe at the rate techno underscore mathics. I am writing it over here because this is the name of my channel. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Take care. Bye bye.